Okay, so the eyeshadow I used is actually a contour palette. I used the dark brown and this like beige color. And then I used the lighter color by my eyebrows. And then I also used this LA Colors. Pretty sure it came from Dollar Tree? Family Dollar? One of those. And I used the orangish color and another nude color. And then for my mascara, I use Falsies first. And then my second layer, I used CoverGirl Super Size Fiber. And then for my lip color, I used, pretty sure this is L'Oreal. It's the Super Stay 24 Hours. And the color is Non-Stop Orange.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath or reveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you read my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you.